Can you see this? JB Custom Fabrication. I've been building a so-called four-wheel drive conversion, but I've had a secret, and the secret is that I have not been able to put it in four-wheel drive. This kit from JB Fab is going to help me fix that problem. Okay, let's see my production value plummet. I'm gonna have to try to open this box with one hand and a big old knife. See? Messing up already. Oh boy. Oh boy. Oh boy. Oh boy. Not working. Okay. Had to put the camera down. I cut the box open. Let's see how well they package this. Open her up. This is the first time I do this unboxing type stuff. If you saw one of my earlier videos, I did not bother. Let's see what we got. This is a cable shift kit, by the way. I didn't mention that. So right when I pull this top piece of paper off, I see the cables already. And it feels like, oh, they sent me a letter. Put that to the side for now. Feels like something's in this. Yes, something is in this. What is it? Okay. Okay, so it's the plate that bolts to the back side of the transfer case that you bolt your cables to, and then this part here, bolts to your shift rails. I should have shift rails in here also because I'm gonna go with a twin stick kit. This is the shift knobs because I opted for the better anodized engraved shift knobs. Okay, these are okay, so they're fixed together. Cables already installed into the shift box. This is stainless steel. That is a stainless steel box, so don't worry about rust if you order this kit. What else do we have? Let's get in there and take a look. I'm gonna have to edit this a lot. Okay, so here's the twin stick rails with the seals and the little caps, little seal caps. That's what these are. Two little seal caps, roll pins, seals, new shift rails. And I got the adjustable detent kit. So you can adjust how hard the shift is, how much feel you want whenever you shift from gear to gear. Let's see what else we got. Oh, look at that. I didn't even know they were sending that. I'd have waited. I waited before I popped open my Corona. Thank you, JB. That's a little prize. What does it say? Look at that. Okay, so I guess they're the two that packaged this box, maybe. What else is in here? What is this? Oh, the shift boots. Shift boot? Is that what we want to call it? Is that what we call this? The shift boot? Alright. Still something else in there. What do we have here? Okay, all the fasteners, all the hardware. JB Custom Fab. JB did not send this ridiculous knife. And that's it. Just down to the box. So I'm gonna arrange this on the floor so you can see how everything looks. Folks, look how smooth it shifts. Look at that. Look at that. The cable is wrapped up really tight, taking up maybe 2 feet of space, and it shifts. I can hear the cable moving in in the liner, but there's very little resistance. That is smooth. I was afraid that I ordered the cables too long. I didn't want to order them too short, and I thought, well, if I order them too long, then I'll just wrap them up. And now I know that when I have them wrapped up, I don't have to worry about it being in a bind, because look at this, that is so smooth. Here's everything I received from JB Custom Fabrication. The shift rail kit. This turns it into a twin stick transfer case, whereas I can put the front alone in 2-wheel drive high, 2-wheel drive low. The rear I can put in 2 high, 2 low. I can of course go in 4-wheel drive high, 4-wheel drive low. And here, this is the anodized knobs. Light is not working, so here's the anodized knobs. So this is just for the front. Man, it's not focusing. Twin stick kit. You can operate the front and rear axle independently of each other. Front axle, rear axle. So you can have front high or front low, put the rear in neutral, and you can have just front wheel drive, or vice versa. Put the front in neutral, you can go rear high, rear low. Twin stick kit. I don't believe you can go front high and rear low, because the detents in the shift rails will not allow you to do that. Also, your gears and transmission and transfer case will hate you, and they will probably explode.